unemployed and
Okay. She was injured on a skateboard one time, like 7 years ago.
she's like, this is the coolest shit ever.
But she still calls herself a skateboarder.
There's some band-aids on her knees. No, it's to feel something.
She'll walk to the park with a skateboard and like walk around and like look at people.
Give me the tour.
Did you see the skylight?
We need more of these.
Stays open.
Yeah, dude.
So we're just cleaning up.
Where is the shower? Can I leave it outside? Yeah. Gotta get the dimensions of that. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut a piece of paper to the wall, tape it to the ceiling, and then we'll cut around the paper. 14 by 22! If it's like too loud, I don't want you guys, you know.
Yeah, most of the narratives.
Yeah. Come on, Ronnie.
Where do I go?
You can say.
Let's see here. It might be loud in here. Whoa!
Hi! I got one more cut.
He's pretty good.
He is.
Alrighty, you're good. Ah, my knee. There's a hole in the roof. There's a snake in my boot.
Can do this, babe. Whoa! Babe, it's perfect!
Is it?
Yeah!
That's crazy.
Yeah.
And when you shower,
How much more open? You have a
it's
bigger
really
bathroom.
cool.
Really?
Yeah. For height purposes, it's like all we needed and more.
Put a healthy amount of silicone.
Yep, I got it.
It's finito.
Woohoo!
What exactly did you do?
Look.
So what I did, I didn't even have to pre-drill holes. We just used self-tapping screws. And I made sure there was a healthy amount of silicone. And just had Ashley push from underneath. Slowly drilled. So I made sure I didn't
Overdo it.
overdo the torque. The gun starts to go click, 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 click. That means it's getting to the point where it can't go anymore. If you push it past that point, it'll just keep spinning, and that means it's lost its gripping. So you don't want to ever get past that. This looks amazing. I mean, this seal shouldn't matter.
Time